Welcome to the PPC Geeks Blog. Today, we're looking at how AdWords ad extensions can make a great campaign even more successful. This article will help you understand what ad extensions are and how to use them to make your ads perform better. We will explore some of the different AdWords extensions available and show how they can help you achieve your digital marketing goals. Some of the topics covered this week are: what are AdWords ad extensions? Automatic and manual ad extensions, which extensions should you use with your ads, and much more. Here at the PPC Geeks Blog, our goal is to be the only resource you'll ever need to turn your AdWords account into the money-making machine it should be. We have over 15 years AdWords experience and are offering a 100% free Google AdWords audit. So claim yours today, and we will show you how to improve your account to make more sales from less spend.